OnePlus will announce the OnePlus Ace 6 Ultra in China as the third phone in the series after Ace 6 and Ace 6T. The company has already released a couple of posters confirming the key details about it. Ahead of the launch, the device appeared on China Telecom certification platform with images, variants, and all the specification list. It carries a model number of PMB110. The device has 6.78-inch LTPS BOE display with 1.5K resolution, 165Hz screen. The panel is designed for low-level latency gaming and is paired with custom touch control chip. It's powered by Dimensity 9500 chipset. The device will be available in 12 to 56, 16 to 56, 12 to 512, 16 512, and the top end 16 1TB option. You get a 16 megapixel front facing camera with 50 megapixel rear main primary camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, coming with 8600 milliampere dual cell battery supporting 120 watt fast wired charging. It gets Android 16 out of the box. It's ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It weighs 218 grams, comes with a glass fiber glass body construction with a metal mid frame with up to IP69K rated protection against dust and water. Additional features include dual symmetrical speakers, advanced low latency optimization for gaming, and support for dedicated gaming controller. But there is chance of launching globally seems to be very poor because OnePlus is scaling down the international operations.